Hello everyone, this is Keith Jackson and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this video, we're going to determine the value of the unknown angle within a triangle. And the good news is this, is that all triangles, all the interior angles within a triangle must add up to 180 degrees. Now let's take a look at this illustration to help us better understand that. So let's say we had the interior angles of a triangle, which we have a 60, 60, right? This is 60-degree angle, 60-degree angle, and we don't know that this angle is, right? So all we're going to do is just set it equal to 180 degrees. And so now we have 60 plus the x is equal to 180 degrees. And let us combine these two terms right here. 60 plus 60 will give us 120 degrees, plus x will give us 180 degrees. And all we have to do to find out what that missing angle is to subtract 120 degrees from both sides to find out what x is. And as you can see right here, x will be equal to 60 degrees because guess what? 60 plus 60 plus 60 will give us 180 degrees. Now let's take a look at big example number one to help us better understand this concept. So let's say within this triangle, we have an angle of 44 degrees and an angle of 32 degrees. But what is the value here of this unknown angle right here? Well, all we have to do is, again, just set it equal to 180 degrees because this triangle the interior angles of this triangle must add up to 180 degrees. And so all we're going to do is just take 44 plus 32 plus x, and that must equal to 180 degrees. And let's add 44 plus 32 together to give us 76 degrees. So we have 76 plus x will equal to 180 degrees. And all we have to do right here is subtract 76 from both sides to discover the value of x, which will be 104 degrees. And so as you can see, x is equal to 104 degrees. Now let us move on to big example two, because now it's starting to get a little bit easier to understand, given that we know that all the interior angles within a triangle must add up to the magic 180 degrees. And in this case, we're going to add 53 degrees to 39 degrees, and then we're going to add x as well. And so we know that 53 plus 39 plus x will equal to 180. Combining 53 and 39 will give us 92. 92 degrees plus x, and we're going to set that equal to 180. And then all we have to do is just subtract 92 from both sides, and we find out that x is going to be equal to 88 degrees, as you see right here. All right, now let's go to big example three, our final example, so we can really gain a deeper understanding of the concept. Now we have 41 degrees and 117 degrees, and we have this unknown angle right here. We want to find out how many degrees that will represent. And all we have to do, again, is add 117 to 41, and then add that to x. Now we have 158 plus x is equal to 180 degrees, as you see right here. So 158 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. And the only thing that we got to do now is just subtract 158 from both sides. And when we do that, we will discover that x is equal to 22 degrees. Okay, you have been given quite a bit of information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at these examples, or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of how to find the value of the unknown angle within a triangle. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.